Hey everyone. Okay, so in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Malbers Animations Animal Controller with the town generator. So I've created some integration scripts and prefabs that will make it easier to integrate with the animal controller. Okay, so first off I'm going to import the integration package, and you can get it off our Gitbook documentation page. I'll add a link in the video description so you can get it quick. So what you'll need is this package here. So just download it and then get it imported into your project. Make sure there's no compiler errors. Okay, that's a bunch of warnings we can ignore. If you find any errors complaining about the Malbers AI Wonder area, just download this second package here, where I've updated the AI Wonder area with a few changes that's required for the integration. The only thing it will change is the AI Wonder area file. Okay, next thing is going to be setting up the buildings. So I've got the Desert Buildings modular package that I've downloaded before, and I've already set it up for the town generator. But what we'll need for the integration is a navmesh modifier. And then I'm going to override the area, make it not walkable. And then the second thing to add is a scoped wonder area. So that creates a Malbers AI Wonder area, but it's scoped to this building. The next thing we need to do on the buildings is to change the door prefab. You can look under the integration folder that we've imported. There's a prefabs building objects folder, and so this door AI Wonder area is what we want. So we'll select these doors and then just replace this with the door AI Wonder area. Okay, so that we're going to do with each of our buildings. If you are setting up the building from scratch, you'll see on the building script under the general tab, you can replace this door prefab with the door from our integrations folder. So now if you click on add door on here, this will automatically be a AI Wonder area door. So what this script does is it picks up child waypoints in the building. So for each town generator building, the doors are seen as waypoints, and so if you add the scoped wonder area, these doors would automatically be added as AI Wonder areas to the building scoped wonder area. Okay, so now that we've got the building set up, let's start creating a sample scene quick. So what I'm going to work on is this Malbers Animal Controller demo, the AI demo, player human versus basic human enemy. So we're just going to open that up. So for the town generator, we are going to need a terrain. So I'm going to just switch off this plane and then add a terrain. I'm also going to copy the navmesh modifier from the plane to the terrain. So next we're going to add the town generator, so you can just right click and then go with create town generator. And let's place this one here. Add our buildings. Okay, so for the integration, we'll also add a scoped wonder area to the whole town. This scoped wonder area can also be added to separate sectors, and then that will allow the NPCs that spawn in a sector to wander around in that whole sector. Okay, so now we can quickly generate our town. Now for our generated town, I'm also going to add a road. This road will then be used as a patrol area for our enemies. Okay, for the road, under the general tab, we'll have to add a different path start prefab. So in our integration folder, look under the prefabs building objects. So this, I'm going to use the path start waypoint prefab. Okay, so after changing this prefab, we just need to delete these generated path starts and then change this interval, and then it will automatically regenerate. So now we've got our path start here, that's a Malbers waypoint. And then on our road, I'm going to add the road patrol area script. Okay, now our town is ready, and the next thing we have to do is get our NPCs ready. So I'm quickly going to show you how to do it manually, while I do have some prefabs ready for you to use. Okay, so we'll go to Animal Controller Human folder, and then you'll see there's some prefabs here. Steve AI enemy. So the first one, I'm going to duplicate this Steve AI town. Okay, and then what we need to do is go into this prefab, and under the AI core we can add one of our integration prefabs. So in the integration folder under NPC town waypoints, these prefabs, they've got a script on, and this script will tell the AI character which waypoints to use, like a wander area or a road patrol area, and so on. You'll see I've got any nearest road, sector and spawned building options here. So if you use this town waypoint any on an NPC, that NPC will be able to wander around the whole town and select any of the town's wander areas to go to. If you use nearest road, the NPC will automatically look for the nearest road and start wandering around on that road. And so for sector, the same thing. It will take a wander area from a specific sector, the one that it's spawned at, and then only wander around in that sector. For spawned building, the NPC will stick to the building that it's been spawned at and only wander around that specific building. So the easiest one is just to take the NPC town waypoint any and then just drop it in over there, save your character, and then now that character can be used on our town. So on our town generator, go to the peasants tab, and then we'll add that character on there. So it's under human, Steve AI town. Drop him in there. Let's say we've got 4 to spawn on this town. Just bake the nav mesh quick. And then we can test it. Okay, so there we have our first peasants, and they are running around our town. Okay, so let's quickly get a enemy character to patrol on the road. So I'm going to go into this prefab, and then again at our integrations folder, get the NPC town waypoint nearest road prefab and just pull it in on there. Let's save this character. Okay, I didn't duplicate him, but anyway, you can do that. So this AI enemy I'm going to add to the road. So on a road peasant, just pull him in over there. Let's say we want 2 guys to patrol on the road. And then we can test it. Okay, now we can see there's 1, 2, 3. Four normal peasants, and then there's the enemy going to attack me. Get away from this guy. Okay, and this guy is patrolling. And that's just a normal peasant running around. And there's the other guy that's supposed to be patrolling. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to show you is how to add zones, interaction zones, and then get your spawned characters to automatically interact with those zones. So in the integrations folder, under prefabs NPCs, I've got this wolf. So I'm going to add this wolf to one of these buildings. Let's say this one. And then on this building, I'm going to add some interaction zones. Okay, easiest is just to add something like a eat zone and drink zone, and let's add a howl zone as well. There was one more thing we needed to do, just to make these zones automatic. And then we can test it. Okay, and that's it for this integration tutorial.